In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Emergent AI account. This process involves several steps that will guide you through the necessary actions to ensure your account is successfully removed from the platform. Begin by navigating to the Emergent AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the Emergent AI homepage. Once the page loads, you should see various options related to AI-powered app development. This ensures you are in the right place before proceeding. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options related to your account settings, confirming that you've accessed the correct section. After that, look for the option labeled Agra Shangri-La Commits in the drop-down menu. Clicking on this will direct you to a page that manages your account details. This will help you further navigate the account deletion process. Once you are on the account management page, find and click on the account option. This action will take you to a section where you can see your account settings and configurations. Make sure you are on this specific screen before continuing. Then proceed to click on Change Username. Although this step is not directly related to account deletion, it is part of the navigation process. This option will confirm you are still in the correct area of account management. Following this, click on Link Patreon account. This will lead you to another settings option. This step is essential as it helps in understanding the connections linked to your account before deletion. Next, select Export Account Data. This step allows you to download any data associated with your account. It is recommended to do this if you wish to keep a record of your information before proceeding to delete your account. After exporting your data, click on Successor Settings. This option provides you with information regarding account succession, which can be relevant if you decide to transfer account ownership. Ensure that you are aware of this before moving forward. Now, locate and click on Delete Account. This step marks the actual deletion process. A confirmation message will typically appear, warning you about the implications of deleting your account. Then, you will see a message stating, once you delete your account, there is no going back. Please be certain. It is crucial to read this message carefully as it emphasizes the permanence of this action. Finally, click on the button that confirms the deletion of your account. This last step will finalize the process and your account will be permanently removed. Remember that this action is irreversible, so ensure that you are ready to proceed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.